Welcome to Like Health. After the age of 50, one of the first signs of aging is weakness in the legs. As muscle mass and bone density naturally decline, even simple daily activities can become challenging. But the good news is that certain foods are rich in nutrients that support muscle strength, joint health, and circulation. By adding them to your diet, you can maintain leg power, stability, and independence as you age. Here are the 10 superfoods that can help strengthen your legs and keep you moving with confidence. Number 1. Spinach. Spinach is rich in magnesium and potassium, two essential minerals that support muscle contraction and nerve function, crucial for leg strength. It's also packed with vitamin K, which helps maintain bone density and reduces the risk of fractures as you age. Its high nitrate content has been shown to improve blood flow to the legs, enhancing endurance and reducing fatigue. Regularly eating spinach can help counteract the muscle loss, sarcopenia, that naturally occurs after 50. Add it to salads, smoothies, or sautéed dishes for a powerful leg-boosting effect. Number 2. Salmon. Salmon is a top source of high-quality protein, which is vital for maintaining and rebuilding leg muscle tissue as we age. It's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation in joints and improve mobility. Vitamin D in salmon supports calcium absorption, essential for keeping leg bones strong and fracture-resistant. Studies have linked omega-3s to improved muscle protein synthesis, especially in older adults. Including salmon twice a week can help preserve leg function and support long-term mobility. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt provides a potent dose of protein, calcium, and probiotics, all essential for leg health after 50. Protein supports muscle maintenance, while calcium strengthens bones and reduces the risk of osteoporosis. Its probiotics also support gut health, which indirectly improves nutrient absorption for muscle and bone strength. Rich in vitamin B12, Greek yogurt helps with nerve function, reducing tingling or weakness in the legs. Enjoy it as a snack or breakfast with fruit and seeds for a muscle-supporting meal. Number 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates, which provide steady energy for muscle function and recovery. They contain potassium and magnesium, which prevent muscle cramps and support smooth leg movement. Their high beta-carotene content, a form of vitamin A, supports overall tissue repair and immune defense. They also have anti-inflammatory properties, helping reduce joint stiffness or swelling in aging legs. Roasted or mashed, sweet potatoes are a delicious way to fuel your legs and protect your mobility. Number 5. Eggs. Eggs are a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle maintenance. They are also rich in vitamin D, which helps keep leg bones strong and supports calcium absorption. Egg yolks contain choline, a nutrient that plays a role in muscle control and nerve communication. With antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, eggs support better circulation and reduce leg fatigue. Incorporating eggs into your meals can support leg strength, coordination, and long-term vitality. Number 6. Lentils. Lentils are a powerhouse of plant-based protein and iron, both essential for maintaining strong leg muscles and preventing fatigue. Iron helps deliver oxygen to leg muscles, enhancing endurance and reducing the risk of cramping or weakness. They also provide folate and magnesium, nutrients that support nerve function and muscle recovery. Lentils have a low glycemic index, offering steady energy without spikes, keeping your legs active throughout the day. Versatile and easy to prepare, lentils are a budget-friendly leg-strengthening staple. Number 7. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which reduce inflammation in joints and support muscle repair. They're packed with potassium, more than bananas, which helps prevent leg cramps and supports fluid balance. Avocados also contain magnesium and vitamin E, important for muscle relaxation and cellular protection. Their high antioxidant content supports healthy circulation, ensuring leg muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need. Add them to salads, toast, or smoothies to nourish your legs from the inside out. Number 8. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are tiny but loaded with zinc, magnesium, and protein, all essential for strong leg muscles and joints. Magnesium, in particular, supports over 300 enzymatic reactions, including those involved in muscle contraction and repair. They're also rich in antioxidants, which protect leg tissues from oxidative stress and age-related damage. Zinc helps with collagen formation, supporting ligaments and tendons that stabilize your legs. Snack on a handful daily to support flexibility, balance, and muscle resilience. Number 9. Oats. Oats provide complex carbohydrates and fiber, delivering slow-releasing energy that supports leg stamina and endurance. They're also a great source of iron and B vitamins, which help transport oxygen to your leg muscles efficiently. Beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber found in oats, supports heart health and circulation to your lower body. Regular intake helps regulate blood sugar, preventing energy crashes that can lead to leg weakness or shakiness. A warm bowl of oats in the morning can be the perfect fuel for strong, active legs all day long. Number 10. Broccoli. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C, calcium, and vitamin K, 3 nutrients crucial for bone strength and connective tissue health. It contains sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant that may slow cartilage damage and joint degeneration in the legs. With its high fiber and phytonutrient content, broccoli also supports overall metabolic and circulatory health. Calcium and vitamin K work together to improve bone mineral density and reduce fracture risk as you age. Steam or roast broccoli for a nutritious side dish that actively supports leg strength and joint protection. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new